Again, this is a humongous offering. I mean, we're looking at shares of Rivian. They priced about 10 or 11 million shares before the official open, but we're talking about maybe 130 million shares debuting in this offering. It's the biggest IPO of the year. They're raising $12 billion. Let's take a quick look at how its market cap right now compares with the other automakers. We know Tesla is over $1 trillion. Its shares are actually higher today after posting their biggest one-day drop this year yesterday. Tesla's down about 13% since last Thursday, shaving $200 billion off its value. At $106 a share, Rivian's market cap currently stands around $90 billion, bigger than GM, bigger than Ford, which owns a 12% stake in Rivian, so we'll participate in the upside here. Phil LeBeau is in Chicago, standing by with more details. Phil, your thoughts on this open?
Kelly, I want to see what this trades like, let's say, over the next hour. Just let's take the next hour, and I know that that's just a small sample size. Let's see if it hangs here in this 105 area, now trading as high as 110, 111. Earlier it was indicated at 125 early this morning, and then ultimately it came back down into that 105 range. And again, trading at 111 right now. It has been a busy day for founder and CEO R.J. Scaringe, the CEO of Rivian. He rang the opening bell for the Nasdaq, which is where shares of RIVN are trading, ringing the opening bell virtually from the company's facility in Normal, Illinois, surrounded by all the Rivian employees. And as you mentioned, Kelly, they're going to be raising almost $12 billion. And I've had people say to me, well, what are they going to do with that money? Part of that money will go towards finding another assembly plant. They've been out scouting locations. They have not indicated exactly where they will build a second final assembly plant, but they will be building one in the next couple of years, in part because they think they're going to be at capacity in Normal, Illinois, if all goes as planned, by the end of 2023. One of the primary vehicles that will be built at that plant, it's an electric delivery van for Amazon. Amazon has ordered 100,000. I've been told that that order is going to grow substantially over time as Amazon looks for more electric delivery vans. So they've got 100,000 of those ordered. The first one's being delivered this quarter, and then they'll ramp up production over the next couple of years. And one more time, let's take a look at the market cap of GM, Ford, Rivian, and Lucid, just to put this all into some perspective in terms of where Rivian's market cap is, as it is right now, relative to GM and Ford. At $90 billion, that's above GM and Ford. Lucid, I think, is at about $72 billion, somewhere around there, 79, or whatever you would see in Tesla, Rivian, GM, and Ford. And then I said Lucid is around $72, $73 billion. So, you guys, or Kelly, I'm not surprised that we're seeing as much excitement as we are surrounding Rivian. And I know we're already hearing from people on social media saying, look, they're only going to sell, they've only sold 1,500 vehicles. They've only delivered that many. These guys are not turning a profit. They're going to lose more than $1 billion for the third quarter. This is a wacky valuation. I'm not going to comment on the valuation. What I will say is that within the auto industry, this is not considered as a Johnny-come-lately, a company that's going to flame out. Many believe it will be around. Now, whether or not it is as successful as Tesla, no way of knowing. No way of knowing what it'll be like in 5 years. But the feeling is that these guys are the real deal, at least when it comes to electric vehicles, and they will be around and will be a player in the future.